Personas, I mean, are classically used in a really functional sense, right? So, they answered the question, for whom are we designing this intranet? What tasks, what features, what content, what function?
Yeah, yeah.
But I believe that they have a bigger application, and that's in the context of change management, and obviously some of the associated, communications challenges that we have with launching a new intranet. And we find this especially to be the case when we're working with these many-to-many intranets or social intranets where we have a real different change in the way people communicate and collaborate. That represents, again, a significant amount of change to the way things may have been previously done with a more centrally controlled few-to-many intranet type environment. So personas get to be used, again, you can still use them in that very classical functional sense, but I think they're also used more broadly in that change management persona context. Workshop, it's about using personas in the context of design and the context of change on intranet projects. And I think the workshop is going to be valuable because it's a different technique for deriving personas than many have practiced in the past. I think many user experience and intranet professionals are familiar with Alan Cooper's methods, popularized by the inmates who are running the asylum and some of his great user experience books. But we're going to be exploring the world of sense-making, narrative, and archetypes, a complexity theory approach to deriving personas, something that comes from the practice of Dave Snowden and Cognitive Edge.
Okay, and when people have been through this workshop, what is it exactly they can do then? I mean,
well, they're sure. So what they're going to get to go through is we're actually going to derive personas in the workshop with the team members. So I think they'll gain the experience of being a participant, and of course, what better way of learning about something than doing it yourself?
yeah.
Opportunity to reflect as a group on how the practice went. How you'd imagine running it inside of your organization, and some of the pros and cons of the approach compared to other approaches. So, my name is Gordon Ross. I'm the vice president and partner here at a Vancouver-based company called OpenRoad. And in the intranet world, we're better known as the creators of the social intranet ThoughtFarmer. And I'm, like I said, based here in Vancouver, and have been building websites and web applications and intranets, coming up on my 20th year doing that. So.